Welcome. We are going to make some peach fish risotto today. First, I have to set some timers. Okay, I just have some alarms here that just keep me level. They just go off every now and then, and I'm gonna get right into it. Oil, stock. First thing we need to do is select a knife. So, let's cut up some onions. Oh. It doesn't feel real sharp. Come on over to my sharpening area. Well, these are they're not really flat, so I'm gonna have to fix these. What you do is you rub them together, but first I need a bit of oil for this to happen. Now, what kind of oil should I use? I do have olive oil and another generic oil here. I do have some oil in the back that's correct. We can find some. Well, the light's not working, so I'm gonna have to go into the garage and grab a light bulb. I couldn't find any light bulbs that I liked, so I'm just gonna have to use flashlight. Not working, so I'm gonna have to go to my other phone here. There we go. I've got some oil and some other oil. Okay. Oh. It's really important getting the knife sharpening technique correct. Onion in. White peaches, throw them in, a little bit of garlic. The new drink and the sip alarm went off at the same time. And there's this one. Let's start that again. Yeah, they just get a little bit wet. So this is going to be a problem. Oh, wow. You got to get your finger up there, and this is not what the alarm was for. That was really stressful. All right, let's get stuck into. Hold on, that's the drink time. Turn that alarm off. All right. And yeah, you just want to stir it and have a drink. This is just feeling a bit like it needs to be changed. So I'm just waiting a few seconds for the alarm. And there it goes. Oh, half and half. I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, this is boiling. Okay, here we go. And there's the drink. Actually, that was a different drink alarm. So Kahlua is my favorite. Back to the risotto. Now you want to overcook it. Never put cream in. I'm really trying to cut down on alarms. You know, I used to have about 8 or 9 alarms going. Yeah, that was just nuts. Anyway, where was I? Which alarm is? Oh, that's a sip alarm. Good. One day I might go through a full meal and not change my apron. That'd be a hell of a Christmas present. I need quick release. There we go. Oh, it's looking nice. Back to the gin. Love mixing drinks. How about a little bit of a tour drink closet here? If anybody likes that stuff, let me know. All right. And again, I think I just got this for show. All right. It's really not even close to finished. To show you, my son is filming this behind the scenes. Cooper, say hello. All right, that's enough. Behind the scenes. That's pretty interesting. We're just waiting for this to cook, and cheers. Oh, that's okay. There we go. Am I doing it okay? Beer. Tipsy. I think I might have wine next. It's actually getting really close. Yeah. Okay, have you seen my yard? Yeah, another video. I think we're getting right to the end here. Put some fish in. I'm putting some fish in. There's a crucial moment. Sun-dried tomato strips. Ooh, mama, that's nice. Little spinach. Put the whole bag in. Ooh, salt. What has salt? I need to put some salt in. Little pepper. Oh, pepper. And key ingredient, just a little pinch of salt. And vinegar. A few drops. Drink. I'm out of drink. Wine. Okay. Oh, look how creamy it is now. All right. And that's ready to go. Whoa. Time to plate up. One. A little bit of oil, olive oil. Oh, I'm almost out of balsamic glaze. Oh. I'll just change my apron for the last time. Ugh. That's how you do it.